So the job for life is gone. What's replaced it?
Lifetime employment is gone. Lifetime employability is in. So we're going to have to get used to the fact that we're going to have to reinvent and relearn 6 or 7 times during our working lives to reinvent ourselves so that we can continue to earn a living. The idea that I went to great college and that'll take me through the next 50 years, that's done. That's over.
Oh, that may be scary for a lot of people to hear that.
Not if you have a learning orientation. Not if you have an inquisitive mind which keeps asking those 2 questions. How is the world changing, and how relevant is my current skill set going to be for how long? And B, what can I learn to anticipate the future and get ready? If you keep asking those questions, the answers are not easy, but if you keep asking and don't give up on asking, you will find the answers. For them, it's not going to be that difficult. It's people who bury their head in the sand, for them it's going to be very difficult.